the stars are out. And somewhere right now, maybe even you, is getting ready to sleep. But have you ever wondered why? Why do we close our eyes every single night? What is actually happening inside our bodies while we sleep? Let's find out together. Every single day, your body and brain work incredibly hard. Your legs run and jump. Your eyes see everything around you. Your brain learns new things every single minute. All of that takes a lot of energy. By the end of the day, your brain and body have been working for many, many hours. And just like a battery that needs recharging, your body needs to rest. When you fall asleep, your body gets to work. First, it repairs itself. Repair. Every scratch, every tired muscle, every little thing that needs fixing gets fixed while you sleep. Your body also releases something called growth hormone. Growth hormone. That is what helps you grow taller and stronger. Most of your growing actually happens while you are sleeping. And your immune system, the part of your body that fights off germs, gets stronger too. Sleep is like a superpower for your body. And while your body repairs, your brain is doing something extraordinary. It is sorting through everything you learned today. Every new word, every new idea, every new skill. The brain files the important memories away safely so you remember them tomorrow. Scientists call the deepest, most active sleep time REM sleep. REM sleep. That is when you dream. Dreams are your brain practicing and playing with everything it learned. But what happens when we don't get enough sleep? Have you ever felt grumpy and tired after a bad night? That is your brain telling you it needs more time to repair and sort memories. Without enough sleep, it is harder to learn new things, harder to remember things, and harder to feel happy and energetic. Every animal on Earth needs sleep. Bears sleep for months. Even fish sleep, they just hover very still in the water. Sleep is not wasted time. It is the most important work your body does all day. While you are sleeping, the most extraordinary things are happening. Your body is growing stronger. Your brain is filing away your memories like a beautiful library. Your immune system is building its defenses. And somewhere in the most magical part of sleep, you are dreaming, seeing colors and places and adventures that exist only in your own wonderful mind. Sleep is not nothing. Sleep is everything. So why do we have to sleep? Because sleep is when our body repairs itself and grows stronger. It is when our brain files our memories and gets ready for tomorrow. It is when we dream our most beautiful dreams. Without sleep, our bodies and brains cannot work properly. Sleep is not the end of the day. Sleep is the beginning of tomorrow. Isn't that wonderful? So today we learned something wonderful. While we sleep, our body repairs and grows stronger. Our brain sorts and files our memories. Our immune system gets stronger. And during REM sleep, we dream. Sleep is the most important thing your body does all day. So tonight, when you close your eyes, know that something magical is happening. Well done, little explorer. Sweet dreams, and see you next time on Tiny Wonders.